In this lesson, we'll explore a more complex set of conditions. Say, for example, we wanted to create a grading system that converts a student's test score out of 100 marks into a letter grade. First, let's define our grading system. Let's say that any mark under 50 is an F. 50 to 59 is a D. 60 to 69 is a C. 70 to 79 is a B. 80 to 89 is an A. And anything over or equal to 90 is an A+. Now we can start creating our if statements. We start with if and create our first condition. If variable x is less than 50, then output an F. Next, you'll see a series of else-if statements. An else-if statement is used if there are more than 2 conditions. In this case, there are 6 conditions. The second condition states that if x is greater than or equal to 50 and if x is less than 60, output a D. Next, if x is greater than or equal to 60 and x is less than 70, output a C. If x is greater than or equal to 70 and x is less than 80, output a B. And if x is greater than or equal to 80 and x is less than 90, output an A. We finish with an else statement, which basically instructs our script to put an A+ in any other scenario. Since the test was out of 100 and the student couldn't get negative marks, the only other scenario can be that the mark was equal to or greater than 90, in which case we've instructed the script to output an A+. So we've set the value of x to 90, and you can see in our web browser we get an output of A+. We can test it with other values just to make sure the script is working. Let's go ahead and test 65. 65 is greater than or equal to 60, and it's less than 70. So if our script is working, we should get C. Let's go less than 50. Less than 50, and we output an F. So it looks like our script is working.